everyone, welcome back to Auto Legends. Today we're talking about an exciting entry from Toyota, the 2025 Toyota Motorhome truck. This innovative model combines Toyota's reliability with the freedom and flexibility of a motorhome, making it perfect for those who crave the open road and a home on wheels. Let's dive into what makes this motorhome truck stand out. Starting with the exterior, Toyota has given this motorhome a design that feels both rugged and sleek, perfect for adventures off the beaten path. The body is built on a sturdy truck chassis, giving it the durability and capability needed for long trips in various terrains. Toyota's signature LED headlights and bold front grille give the vehicle a modern, distinct look, while the integrated roof rack and optional awning make it practical for camping and outdoor activities. Now, let's look under the hood. The 2025 Toyota Motorhome truck is equipped with a powerful V6 engine, giving you the power and torque to handle both highway speeds and off-road trails. This engine is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, providing smooth acceleration and efficient performance. Toyota's added a hybrid option for those looking to be more eco-friendly, delivering great fuel efficiency without compromising power, so you can go the distance without constantly stopping to refuel. Inside, Toyota's design team made comfort a top priority. The cabin is spacious, offering a well-thought-out layout that maximizes both space and functionality. There's sleeping space for up to 4 people, thanks to a convertible bed and a loft area above the driver's seat. The living area includes a small but efficient kitchen with a stovetop, mini fridge, and a sink, as well as a bathroom with a compact shower and toilet. The materials are durable yet comfortable, designed to withstand the wear and tear of frequent use. When it comes to technology, Toyota has equipped the motorhome with all the essentials and more. You'll find a large touchscreen infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and navigation ideal for road trips. Plus, there's a control panel that allows you to manage things like lighting, temperature, and battery levels, giving you total control over your mobile home's environment. Safety features are top-notch, as you'd expect from Toyota. The motorhome comes with Toyota's Safety Sense package, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert, and automatic emergency braking. There's also a 360-degree camera to help with maneuvering, which is especially useful given the larger size of the vehicle. These features provide peace of mind, whether you're on a busy freeway or navigating through a narrow campground. So who is the 2025 Toyota Motorhome truck for? It's perfect for adventurers and families who want the flexibility to travel anywhere without leaving behind the comforts of home. Toyota's reliable engineering combined with practical living amenities makes it a great choice for those seeking an escape from everyday routines. Starting at an estimated price of around $50,000, it offers solid value compared to other motorhome options on the market. That's our overview of the 2025 Toyota Motorhome truck. What do you think? Is this the future of road trips? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates from Auto Legends. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next video.